I'm starting with Casino Bronzer, and this is just a deeper tone than Laguna. And I like to use it on the outside of the face, so starting on the forehead, around the hairline, on the jawline, and a little bit around the ear. This is going to really warm up her skin tone. Then I'm also going to take it underneath the cheekbones for a little bit of definition. Then I'm going to use Dolce Vita blush, and this is a really great kind of natural shade, and I'm just going to put this right on top of the contour. And then I'm going to use Forte highlighter, and I'm putting this on the top of the cheekbones, a little bit on the lid, and down the bridge of the nose and top of the cupid's bow. Then this is the Charade Duo eyeshadow, and I'm just going to put a wash color over the lid. And then I'm going to take Grafton Street eyeliner, and I'm just going to start lining the top of the lid. You'll see I'm using a brush and I'm just pulling it out to create my cat shape. So don't worry about creating the perfect shape. You can use the brush and get the shape just perfect with the eye open. And then make sure you get the waterline, the top and the bottom waterlines with the brush. And then I'm just going to smudge everything underneath and connect it with the cat liner. So then I'm going to take the second color from the Charade Duo and I'm going to run this right through the crease. Just give a little definition to the crease area. Then, of course, Climax Mascara. So I'm going to actually just pull it through just to make the lash look a little bit more defined and separated. And I'm doing this on the top and bottom. Then Brow Perfector, just to fill in any gaps where she was missing some hair color. Then for the lips, I'm going to use Unlaced and Save the Queen. And I'm going to mix these and I'm going to buff it into the lip just for a nice kind of mauvey pink that goes really well with the green. And that's my final look. I hope you enjoy and thanks for watching.